In the meantime, BJP continues with its attack on the Congress and the opposition as far as the judiciary versus executive face-off that has intensified over BJP MPs or their parliamentarians' comments. And now taking a notch further, it is BJP's Amit Malviya who seems to have posted the video of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. The BJP here through this video is now reminding the Congress of the views of the former Prime Minister of India, where in this video, the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi seems to be slamming the Supreme Court judges back in 1978. As far as Indira Gandhi's video now seems to be in focus of the Congress party. Let's get in a word from Pragya, who is connected with us. Pragya, good morning. Already a warning that has been given by BJP National President. They want the controversy to end here on, with the leaders also there being asked to refrain from making any controversial statement. But this video that has now been released on BJP's Amit Malviya, we would want to hear that first, exactly what the messaging that the BJP is trying to give through this statement and this video released of the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Let's play that out.
How does Mr. Shah know what is happening in the political world? What are the forces at work which want to destroy a developing economy? Is a judge competent to decide that? Then why have democracy? Why have elections? Why have political people in power? How does Mr. Shah know what is happening in the political world? What are the forces at work which want to destroy a developing economy? Is a judge competent to decide that?
Well, Pragya, what is the BJP trying to remind the Congress party here? Because releasing this video of the former Prime Minister, if we go back in the year 1977, the election saw Indira Gandhi's Congress party suffering a major defeat. There was the setup of the Shah Commission, which was made to investigate the allegations of abuse of power and corruption during emergency. And to that effect, it seems that objections were raised by the former Prime Minister.
Well, BJP is doing exactly what Congress had done in the past, and in fact, Amit Malviya, who has tweeted this video, particularly of Ms. Indira Gandhi, late former Prime Minister of India, she is also speaking about judicial overreach. And you know, it seems that the fight between the legislature and the judiciary is not new. It in fact was very relevant in 78 and 77 as well. And this is exactly what many of the BJP MPs are speaking behind the closed doors, that you know, if judiciary has to use Article 142 and if judiciary has to do everything and overturn the laws that we make in the parliament, sitting day and night discussing each and every aspect of every bill, if judiciary can overturn that or dilute that, what is the point of having a democracy? Which means that we as elected representatives means nothing. So this is the issue that many of the BJP MPs are also speaking about. However, BJP President JP Nadda, being the chief of the party, has also issued a decree on and a direction, in fact, on all the leaders not to speak about this. Probably the reason why, because BJP wants to have a strategy in place where selective voices can speak about it, because if everyone started speaking about it, then there will be an all-out open war between judiciary and...
as far as the trust and faith into judiciary must not be eroded, that seems to be the messaging there. However, the statement that came in from the BJP National President JP Nadda himself, warning his own party leaders, especially the parliamentarians who have voiced their opinion with regards to the judiciary in India. Pragya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining it. Back after a short break.